Hi, this is Kelly from Petica Kelly and Play Learn Talk, and you have made it to the bonus video of this Boom Card Tricks for the Escape Room mini series. So congratulations on making it this far. We're going to learn how to randomize our keys in this video. So it should be another video that's 5 minutes or less. We're going to go ahead and preview what we've already made. If you have not made this and you've stumbled across this video, this is included in a playlist, so go back and look for the very start of this and you'll be able to recreate this too. So here we have our room, and I've already actually moved the key over, but this is the key that is going to be correct. We've assigned it to be the middle key. But as the bonus, we're going to learn how to make the correct key. There's still only one answer, but we're going to make it move around the page. So every time the student uses the page, it's going to be in a different position. So it's creating a little bit more, unpredictability in the game, which always makes it fun. So let's go into the Boom workstation right now, and here is our page. So a little maintenance before we go and randomize the cards. We're actually going to stretch out this entire card. I only kept it small so that we could do some, coding on the page, but we're going to stretch it out and make it an actual, background, okay? So it only takes a couple seconds. We just have to click on the images and just stretch them out a little bit larger, which actually gives us a lot more space to work with. So maybe you want to cover up your keys or whatever your tool is with some other items. You can now have the space to do that, okay? So we need to actually now click on the entire image that is our caption pick, okay? And we're going to make it undraggable for now, okay? Please know at the end of this video, if I do not remind you to make it draggable again, make it draggable. Make a note right now because it does need to be draggable. If it's not draggable, you're going to have the little red circle or green circle on your drop zone area, okay? So just in case I forget. All right, so moving on, we're going to go ahead and pull out a caption pick, and we're going to delete the image, delete the text, okay? And we are going to make it draggable. Okay, now we're going to click on our image again, the original one, and we're going to do Z order, send it back. And the reason we're doing that is see how our drop zone actually has moved because we moved the entire page, right? Makes sense that it would have moved. So we need to actually reposition that as well. Now, another reason for doing this is when we actually move our keys into our new image, it's going to lose its linking, okay? So right now when we click on our keys, we have no way to randomize them. If you come over to image properties, it says change image or stretch to fit. Can't talk right now. And basically it doesn't give us the option to randomize it. So we need a container for that. So that's what we're going to do here, okay? So we are actually going to copy these items and then place them inside of that container. So we're going to click on all three of these using the keyboard shortcut Command C, delete them. And then we're going to click onto this container. We know we've clicked onto it because it's highlighted in a square, and do Command V. So it looks as if only one key is there, but all three are there stacked on top of each other. So like I said, there's another reason it's good that we've brought our drop zone forward, and that's because we've lost our linking, okay? So we need to actually link one of them, okay? And then now we're free to actually move this entire container down, okay? See how everything's inside? We know for sure because it's all moving. All right, so we're going to stretch it across, and we're going to remove the border. You could keep it if you like, I suppose. And we're going to make this entire image again draggable. I'm going to do it right now before I forget. And now we can move our keys out. Okay, so we can move our keys out into this container, and you'll notice now inside the container we have the ability to randomize the items, okay? So for the purpose of this tutorial, I want you to be able to really clearly see the randomization of it. I'm going to give each key a color, okay? So we're going to give it a background color so it's really obvious that they're actually changing positions, okay? So our blue key is the one that is correct. I'm going to duplicate this page just so we can see a couple opportunities of it. So let's go and preview it. So blue currently is in the right position, okay? And you see on this very first page it's already moved to the left side. So we're going to bring it over and it's correct. Now if you choose to color code it, you could use that as like a clue. Maybe students need to figure out through trial and error that the blue one is the correct one. But you may not want to color code it. This is really just for us seeing it right now. So I hope this video was helpful and that you're excited about this bonus. I will continue to do escape room tutorials for I don't know, probably 10 more videos because there's so many amazing things that you can do. And probably in about 10 videos, I will do a Watch Me Create where I create my very own boom card escape room, and I'm excited to share that with you as well. So if you are not already subscribed to this channel, I hope that you do so now. I post daily videos, and I would love to, you know, help you help you as you're making your own boom card creations. All right, I will see you guys in the next video.